Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make an end portal in Minecraft. So beware that making an end portal in Minecraft is only something that you can do in creative because you can't get end portal frames in survival. So from here, you just want to go to the inventory section here. Let's just search up end portal frames. So like this, right? End portal frames, just click on it. And then we'll make a pattern like this. So like this, like this, like this. And then go to the other side, make like this, make like this. Gonna break these blocks and then make like this, like this, like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this. Be careful not to put the end portal frame out of configuration. So they all need to be facing the same side. If it's like this, it won't work. So it'll have to be facing the same side like this. After you make the frame like this, you just have to put in the ender eyes. So let's put in the ender eyes like this. Not the ender pearls, right? The eye of ender like this. And then just fill it up like this. Fill it like this. And then you're done. Now the end portal frame has been made. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.